Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd. فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قال الله تعالى في سورة الأنعام: ونقلب أفئدتهم وأبصارهم كما لم يؤمنوا به أول مرة ونذرهم في طغيانهم يعمهون. Translation: And we are turning away their hearts and eyes from truth, since they refused to believe in it at first time. We shall leave them wandering blindly in their transgression and disobedience. This is an important topic, and we have studied that in Surah Baqarah when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, ختم الله على قلوبهم وعلى سمعهم وعلى أبصارهم غشاوة, meaning that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has sealed their hearts and their ears and has put a curtain in front of their eyes. And this is a moral law, which is that if a person recognizes the truth and knows the fact and knows what is right and wrong, and yet he refuses to accept the truth due to his arrogance, due to his worldly benefits, and due to fulfilling his desires of his heart, he will reach a point with this continuous refusal of accepting the truth that the truth will not make any more effect on his heart next time it comes on. And this is as per the physical law in the human body, that if one function of the human body is not used, a physical function like an action of the joint, which is to move, and a plaster is put on that joint and it is not moved for years and years, it will lose its ability to move and will become a frozen joint. Similarly, if the eye, whose function is to see, is covered for years and years, a point will come that it will stop seeing. Similarly, the moral law is to accept the truth when the truth is clear, and if somebody is not accepting the truth again and again for a long time, his ability of the heart to recognize the truth will be taken away. And this is the way the hearts are sealed. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning here that their eyes and their hearts will be turned away and will not be able to see the truth. But this is not that. Ma'azallah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is doing this sealing of the heart or stamping of the heart randomly. This is only done on those people who do not want to accept the truth and who keep on refusing and rejecting the truth. In the end of the ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has mentioned that these people whose hearts are sealed, they are given more chance by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, so that they keep refusing the truth and keep doing more transgression, more zulm, and they get higher and higher in punishment of hellfire. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran. Oh Allah, give us a heart that can accept the truth. Oh Allah, take all the arrogance out of our hearts and make us among those who see the truth and act on the truth right away all the time. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum.